Hey everybody, you remember me, Corey Jones, the owner of Safetyman Consulting, safetyman.co. I got a new website for you. This is great news. Write this down, survivaltacticscourse.com, survivaltacticscourse.com. We're going to take American domestic SWAT commanders like myself, pair our knowledge, skills, and ability with the training experience in real world firefights that Navy SEALs have been involved in foreign countries to make our country safer. Rescuing American citizens, taking out terrorist organizations, SEALs, SWATs together, training American cops on how to approach, destroy a group of armed terrorists or criminals bent on killing American lives on American soil. By the end of this 2-day course, November 6th, November 7, 2021, you will have the knowledge, skills, ability, and get this, the confidence to take back to your agency and work together as a unit or as a team or as an individual officer and put these criminals down or tie them up to the point that more cops can get there and stop their criminal intentions. Survivaltacticscourse.com, survivaltacticscourse.com. SEALs, SWAT, training American cops. Be safe, be ready.
Moving the target.
Let's go. Stay together. Delivery. Delivery.
When I played sports, the guys who were really good, they put it out on the line and they were intense in practice. You know, they just brought it to a different level. So I try to be like that, you know, and so I'm asking you to try to be like that too. So play the game. Like, all right, you're in this vehicle. Pretend you're on a convoy, or you're in a helo, you're in an APC, you're in a striker. Like, you're getting ready to fucking put it on the line.